Yeah, a little bit of an update of the PI saga, quality issue I'm having. It's still ongoing. Every count since the 11th has been high. So, yesterday, I tore all these apart, the pulsators, cleaned them out, went through, checked them, they're all pulsing like they're supposed to be, sound good, didn't see nothing in them. And then I also tore the milk pump apart here. Didn't find nothing in there. Thought I had an issue. When I tore this off, there was it looked like an O-ring, black ring around the end of the shaft. And I'm like, that doesn't belong there. I don't know what was going on, where that came from. I'm looking all around and I look at the thing a little closer. Here, it's one of these gaskets in here. I don't remember. I guess I did lose one at one time or something. Rolled up, got sucked in the line, and I figured, it drained out when the pipeline drained out and went down the drain, but it's been hung up on the shaft in there, but that shouldn't have been a problem. So, I don't know if that's going to fix anything or not. I didn't see nothing there, but something I did notice. One day, when I was milking, I come in here. I come up here, do something, I'll grab a pipe or hold on, or I had to fix this, and I noticed this was cold. And I just took milkers off. You got milk going through the line, cow's the body temperature's 101. That pipe should be at least 90 degrees, it should be warm. But this one right here was ice cold. Or I wouldn't say ice cold, but it was cold. It was colder than this pipe, colder than our section. It was cold right here. So, and I got, like I said, the vacuum pump is loud, so I can't hear much of anything. But I did notice him hissing here, leaking air. And what happened is, I'll show on this one here. These are called canes. It's got this channel that slides up on here, and it's like a rail. Well, half this is busted out. So it allows this cane to bob up and down. So you get a gap in here, and it was sucking air. And when you got air sucking under a high vacuum, I wouldn't say high, it's 15 inches of mercury. But it's going through faster than anything else. It was chilling that pipe down. Well, that could be an issue. If it's sucking air, it's the same as if it's down here. Anything sucking air is a problem on the pipeline. And just like here, if it's sucking air on the cows, you get that turbulence in there, it causes problems. And it could be sucking, there's through there, and that could cause bacteria issues. So I got thinking, I have this other style. These are stainless steel rails. They're not gonna, so that, you get this on there. Now you don't have that wiggle in there. You're not lifting up off that base. So, and like I said, when I bought the pipeline, I had both these. These blue ones are actually a Bomatic, and these are actually a Dairy Cool. They take the same cane, but so we'll see if that makes a difference. Right, like I said, I've tried to listen tonight, pay real close attention. I do not hear nothing leaking there now. And like I say, this has no wiggle in it to be lifting up to suck the air. The only thing is I gotta get new rubber pieces. There's the gasket underneath, and then there's the one on top. I bought this pipeline 20 years ago. I mean, they look good and everything, but them should be replaced. But that's something I gotta send away for. I don't even know if the next route truck won't be in here for another month, 3 weeks anyhow. I don't know if that's something they stock or not. But that's the problem. It's going to be probably at least, it'll be a week before I find out if that solves anything. Because the milk hauler picked up this morning, Wednesday. So now the next tank that gets picked up after this won't be till Friday. So that milk won't get in there until Saturday morning. And normally on the weekends, most of the time they usually don't run this test, probably because they don't want to pay somebody to do the lab work. They just do the component test, which I think they just run through a machine, a probe goes in and it measures it somehow that way. This, like I say, this test has to be incubated. So that means the pickup Friday goes in Saturday, so the pickup Sunday, that would go in Monday. They may run it, so I might see, yeah, like I said, it'd be at least next Wednesday, the earliest I would know if this makes a difference. So in the meantime, if it doesn't, I might have another high test, and so I don't know. I'm running out of ideas what to check. I got a couple other, one more or two things here yet, but like I say, you don't want to do 3 things at once, so you know, be able to figure out what it is. So like here, I'm doing 2 things, pulsators and this, and hopefully it makes a difference. And here's that Holstein that's fresh. I just got done milking her. Yeah, that looks like it could be a 120 pound cow. Probably never gonna see it. I can't get anywhere near 100 pounds out of a cow. I don't know what's going on with that. Like I say, still working at that, trying to figure that out too. But so, and that's going to be a thing here too. I'm going to run out of corn silage here within the next 2 weeks. And it'll be at least another 4 to 6 weeks before I chop any corn. So I'm going to go at least a month without corn. Unless something does start ripening up here pretty fast, like say in a month, I could start chopping something a little bit early, mix in some green stuff. But like I say, trying to work on it. Probably might be too little too late, but we'll see. So, like I say, I'll just share that. I don't know. Like I say, that pipe would get way colder than the rest of them. So, like I say, it had a pretty good leak there. But I guess get these finished up. I got some calves out there that want fed now. So, thanks for watching.